All right, good morning, everybody. Happy Monday to you. Let's get the week started. Looking at the week of May the 11th to May the 15th. And I know you're all asking the one question: how long is school left? 3 weeks. You're going to make it. You're doing great. If you're logging into this stuff and getting your stuff turned in, you're doing fantastic. But let's go over that lesson plan one more time for this week. You're going to log into your Chromebook. Done that. That's why you're playing this messages. Second thing, you're going to go to My Student Portal, also known as My Apps. You're then going to go to Office 365. You're going to check your messages in Outlook. See if you have any messages in there from me or the district for that matter. You're then going to go back to the daily schedule. Let's look. The next thing is go to My Apps and go to Edgeunity Courseware. You're going to click that. It's going to open up for you. You're going to stand there for like about 10 seconds. You can count to 10 or count backwards. And then you're going to log right back out for your daily attendance. You're then going to go to Unique Learning System right here. And that's what the front page is going to look like. You're going to go to Sign In. You're going to go to Student Account. You're going to then put your username, which is going to be your email, your student email. Okay, and your password, and then log in. Now you don't have to have the student portal or access to forward.sd internet to access Unique Learning System. Any browser can you access it. Okay. Next thing we're going to we're going to check Google Classroom to see how we have any assignments in there. Oh, there is one. Discovery Education, being financially responsible, kind of going with our theme this last 6 weeks of economics. So all you have to do is watch the video. I don't know if you've done it or not. Okay, and let's see, moving on. Now, we'll be going to Google Meets. Okay, I hope I can either send you an invite if you need help with something. Okay, or don't understand something. Call me or text me, let me know that you'd like to set up a Google Meet. Okay, now normally I have conferences time of Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 1:30 to 3 p.m. Okay, I am flexible. I can go beyond that. Okay, normally I like to keep it within the hours of school, which is from 9 to 3. Okay, but again, if you need help, let me know. Now, once you completed this for the day, you're done. Let's look at our lesson plan for the week. Okay, we got reading comprehension. Okay, Mark needs a budget plan. Comprehensive questions. You got the Discovery Education video, being financially responsible. Tuesday, you got math story problems of subtraction. Wednesday, you got Todd's family tree for for science. Thursday, you have social studies, talking about family. Okay, that's the life skills activity. Friday, you got a life skills assignment, safely storing food. This is a very good life skill to learn. Okay, you'll be surprised. A lot of people don't know how to store food properly. Okay, now Google Meet schedule on Friday. Here it is. Okay, to go over, I would like for everybody to participate so we can go over life skills. And so I get a chance to see you. I haven't seen you since spring break, some of you. Okay, so try to participate. And it'd be greatly appreciated by me. If you need any other questions, please let me know. You know how to reach me. Your parents have my phone number. You can text me. You can call me. You can email me. Okay? But just let you know, on Monday and Tuesday, I have meetings. On Monday, it's 11:30 to 12:30. On Tuesdays, it's 11 to 12. But again, if you text me, I'll text you back. All right. Well, that's in a nutshell. Thank you very much. Have a good one.